Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Southern fried chicken. Start with clean, dry chicken. Cutting a whole chicken into 8 pieces ensures even cooking. For truly tender and flavorful fried chicken, a buttermilk brine is essential. Let your chicken soak in the buttermilk for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight, to achieve that perfect juicy interior. This step makes a huge difference in the final taste and texture. Now let's talk about the dredge. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with your favorite seasonings. I recommend 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and plenty of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Make sure to mix these well. Then, take each brine chicken piece and thoroughly coat it in the seasoned flour, pressing gently to ensure it adheres completely. This creates that signature crispy crust. For the frying, you'll need a heavy-bottomed pot, like a cast-iron skillet, filled with about 3 inches of vegetable oil. Heat the oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your dredged chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry dark meat, like thighs and drumsticks, for about 13 to 15 minutes, and white meat, such as breasts and wings, for 8 to 10 minutes, until golden brown and cooked through. Once your chicken is beautifully golden brown and cooked, carefully remove it from the oil. Place the pieces on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows any excess oil to drain off, keeping the crust perfectly crispy. It's crucial to let the chicken rest for at least 5 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Enjoy your homemade Southern fried chicken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.